Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are going to solve five IMM questions that are from the diameters and the fetal head. So basically, in cephalic presentation, we are more concerned about the degree of flexion of the fetal neck, which we call as the attitude, and then we are going to be talking about the diameter of the presenting part. So this is the baby, okay? This is the head, this is the neck. So over here we can see that when the position is occipito-anterior, the presenting diameter, when the attitude is well flexed, is suboccipito-brygmatic, and it is 9.5 centimeter. Now the opposite of suboccipito-brygmatic is also 9.5 centimeter, which is submentobrygmatic, when the neck is hyperextended, and we call it as face presentation. And both of these can be delivered. So both of these are 9.5 centimeters. So separate questions from both of these. Now we have the occipito-posterior position. Now in this case, we have two diameters. That depends on how deflexed the neck is. So when it's less well flexed or further deflexed. Now usually in occipito-posterior position, the diameter is going to be suboccipito-frontal. Okay, so if they ask you which one is the presenting diameter in occipito-posterior position, you are going to say suboccipito-frontal, which is 10 centimeter. Simple. And this is the diameter which is involved in the engagement and descent of the head. But when they say that what is the diameter in occipito-posterior position when the head is further deflexed, or occipito-frontal diameter's value when they ask you, so you're going to say 11.5, so into 11. So I'm going to repeat myself. In occipito-posterior position, the diameter is going to be suboccipito-frontal. But also, when the neck gets even more deflexed, then the diameter becomes occipitofrontal. So if they ask you the value of occipitofrontal diameter, you should know it. And when they say when the head becomes further deflexed, what is the diameter? You're going to mark this. Okay. Now, the largest diameter of the presenting part, which cannot be delivered normally, is occipitomental. You go mental, it's not delivering. Oh my god. So it's 13 centimeter. Okay, and the attitude is extended, and the presentation is bro presentation, which is also known as the military presentation. Now, again, we have the hyperextended neck, which is opposite of a well-flexed neck. And the diameter values are the same, that are 9.5 centimeter, but that is suboccipitobrygmatic, and this is submentobrygmatic. Okay, thank you.